Hello, I'm Santa from South Africa and I sell electric bikes. We propose to replace motorcycle taxis in Africa with these electric scooters. That'll save us 4 million tons of carbon a year. Because did you know, two-stroke motorcycle engines is much more pollutant than motor cars. Not only climate change producing substances, but also health hazards. So my proposal is to eradicate these polluters. Replace it with an e-Harley type electric scooter with some modifications for local conditions and for use as a taxi. This will be friendly not only to the environment, but also to the local economy. We could manufacture some components here. What we need is to establish the market, find contacts in the target countries, and a funder that is willing to work with the cooperatives to switch. Let's make it happen.